Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150, that generation here from year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you have problems where you need to find the fuse for the electric parking brake, or the electric parking brake, also known as EPB, does not work. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses from so you don't pay ridiculously overpriced price for those things. And number 3, why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals, and if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we will demonstrate here on the 2016 Ford F-150, guys, but even if you have a different year with electronic parking brake, video may be helpful. The fuse box that we need to find first will be located under the hood. Once you open your hood, right behind that battery, guys, let me zoom in, right behind that battery, right here, you have your fuse box cover. What we have to do, open that fuse box cover now, open it, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one. Okay, that will be the front of the truck, that's towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money, guys. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So your truck can be equipped, guys, with all kinds of fuses and relays that could be really hard to find or ridiculously overpriced, especially in small towns in the middle of nowhere. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So what do we need to find now, guys? 2 fuses. If you have the electronic parking brake, ours specifically doesn't have that, but if you have it, we will explain which one it is. If you come in that row right here, on the right side in that fuse panel, that row, right under the relay, the first fuse that we're missing, it's known as fuse number 57, you have that fuse. And if you come in the middle row, the one on the very bottom right here, you will need to check that one as well. These 2 will be for the electronic parking brake. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.